India has made significant progress, which is also relevant to the theme of this year's conference, that is, accelerating action and mobilizing all actors to conserve and sustainably use the ocean. Recognizing the importance of SDG 14, India has initiated several new initiatives, including the Deep Ocean Mission, a pilot project of blue economy. This mission aims to understand and map the biodiversity within our EEZ, and also to develop and implement marine spatial planning, protect and conserve our oceans, and develop technology for ocean exploration and observation. Additionally, it also supports the climate change studies and more than that too. Ladies and gentlemen, India has already signed the Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction Agreement and is currently in the process of ratification. This step underscores our commitment to conserving marine biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. Dear delegates, the marine pollution, particularly the plastic pollution, remains, as we all know, a global challenge. Our efforts align with the Ocean Action Plan 4, which focuses on preventing marine pollution from land-based sources.